Have you ever pondered about the nature of time? Why does it only move in one direction? Why can't we turn back time? Time, one of the most elusive and enigmatic concepts known to humankind, has intrigued philosophers and scientists alike for centuries. We all experience time, we watch it pass, we feel it slip through our fingers like grains of sand, yet we can't see it, touch it, or even fully comprehend it. In our daily life, time is a constant flowing river, always moving forward, never backward. But why is that? Why can't we rewind to yesterday or fast forward to tomorrow? Why does time only flow in one direction? These queries take us deep into the heart of one of the most captivating theories in physics. These questions lead us to the fascinating concept in physics known as the arrow of time. In physics, this one-way direction of time is referred to as the arrow of time. But what is this arrow of time, really? Let's delve into the heart of time's mystery. The term arrow of time was coined by British astronomer Arthur Eddington back in the Roaring '20s, specifically 1927. Picture a world just beginning to grapple with the weird and wonderful concepts of quantum mechanics. And there's Eddington, introducing yet another mind-boggling idea. This arrow, you see, doesn't refer to a physical arrow. Rather, it's a metaphorical representation of time's relentless march forward, never backward. But here's where things get a bit wobbly. The arrow of time is closely connected to the concept of time's arrow. Now, time's arrow is a philosophical concept that challenges our everyday experience of time. It posits that the distinction between past, present, and future is, in Einstein's words, only a stubbornly persistent illusion. A bit of a head-scratcher, isn't it? This concept suggests that our understanding of time, this linear progression from past to future, might not be an inherent quality of the universe. Instead, it could merely be a product of our human perception. In other words, the arrow of time is the way we humans have come to understand and experience time's passage. But why an arrow? Well, an arrow, once shot, moves in only one direction. It can't turn back or change its course. Similarly, time as we perceive it moves from the past, through the present, and into the future, never the other way around. Yet in the realm of physics, most of the fundamental laws are time-symmetric, meaning they work just as well if time were to run backward. This intriguing contradiction between our experience of time and the time symmetry in physics is what fuels the ongoing exploration of the arrow of time. Though it may sound like a concept from a sci-fi movie, the arrow of time is a fundamental aspect of our understanding of the universe. Now, you might be wondering, how does the arrow of time relate to the fundamental laws of physics? Well, it's all about entropy, which is a measure of disorder in a system. The second law of thermodynamics, one of the fundamental principles of physics, states that in an isolated system, entropy tends to increase over time. So, in a sense, entropy is a bit like a cosmic hourglass, constantly trickling towards chaos. This law gives time a direction, from past to future. It's why we can remember yesterday but not tomorrow, why we grow older, not younger. This is the concept of the arrow of time, a term coined by British astronomer Arthur Eddington in 1927. But here's the catch. Most physical laws are symmetrical. They don't care which way time flows. If you filmed a game of pool and played it backwards, the balls would still obey the laws of physics. But the second law of thermodynamics is different. It's time asymmetric. So, how does the arrow of time tie into this law? The increase of entropy over time is like a film of our universe being played forward. It's the reason we perceive time as moving in one direction, from the past, through the present, and into the future. In essence, the arrow of time is the physical embodiment of the passage of time, as dictated by the laws of physics. So, we've taken a brief journey through the concept of the arrow of time and its relation to physics. We've unraveled the enigma of time, darted through the arrow of time, and connected it all to the fundamental laws of physics. But remember, time is a mystery that continues to captivate us. Keep exploring, keep wondering. The universe is full of marvels waiting to be discovered. And don't forget, our Universal Universe channel is your daily ticket to cosmic adventures. Share the cosmos with your friends by liking and sharing this video.